Let's see more mathematics. Dividing decimals by whole numbers. 3.5 divide by 7. So when you divide decimal by a whole number, let's write it in a form of a fraction, like 3.5 over 7. Now we cannot divide it directly, but what we do is, to remove the decimal number, I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, like this. So what will this do is, when you multiply 3.5 by 10, it becomes 35. And 7 times 10, I'm going to keep it as it is. I'm not going to use the 10 in the denominator. Let us divide 35 by 7. Now 35 by 7, very easy. Divide, it should be 5, right? 5. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So I'll get the answer as 5 over 10. Now this is easy because we have seen whenever you divide any number by 10, you have to move the decimal point to the left. How many times? Depending upon the number of 0 in the denominator. There is 1 0 in the denominator. Move the decimal point towards the left once and you get the answer as 0.5. Easy peasy. Let's see another example. 4.53 divided by 3. 4.53 divided by 3. There are 2 digits after the decimal. So this time I'm going to multiply it by 100. So I multiply it by 100. I get rid of the decimal point in the numerator. Keep the 100 in the denominator as it is. Divide 453 by 3. 453 by 3 will give me 151. And by 100, because there is 100 in the denominator. So when you divide 453 by 3, we get 151, and divide by 100. 100 has 2 zeros. Move the decimal point to the left 2 times, and we get 1.51. I hope it's clear. Easy peasy. Next. Well, 453 divided by 3 is 151. That pop-up is coming a little late, but never mind. A car drove 104 miles in 1.6 hours. If the speed of the car was the same for the entire journey, how fast did the car go? So they're asking us the speed. And whenever you want to find the speed, it is distance over time. That is 104 divided by 1.6. But now 1.6 is in the denominator. So I have to get rid of 1.6 in the denominator. I will multiply both sides by 10. Once I do that, it's very easy. 1.6 times 10 will be 16. So you'll get 16 in the denominator. Keep the 10 as it is in the numerator. 104 divided by 16, it's simple, it's 8. And 8 times 10 is 80. So the answer is 80 miles per hour. So this is how you remove the decimal point and then divide easily. Let's see another one. Which equivalent expression uses powers of 10 to help you to solve this? 52.71 divided by 0.21. So you see, after the decimal there are two digits. I want to get rid of it. I'll multiply by 100 and I'll get 5271. Move the decimal point to the right because you're multiplying by 100. Move it to the right. Also move it to the right. When you multiply by 100, and you get 5271 over 21. So that's the answer A.